To change a column name in the catalog database, start up SQL Server Management Studio. Log in, expand to your catalog and have a look at the tables. Browse to the table you wish to change, so for example CR, and within here you'll see that you've got columns, but you've also got some constraints, and you can't just select rename, because if you select rename it basically says there's some dependencies, and the dependencies are that you've got some constraints which don't allow a zero length on the user one field. So if we right click over the user one field and script constraint as and create to, and that creates a new query editor window. And then we repeat that again, and we go create script constraint as, and we drop to new query editor window. We then get the following field. If we right click and execute, once that's complete, we can right click over the column name and rename. So I'm just changing that to UPN. That's changed to UPN. We then go to the first query we've created, and wherever it says user one, that needs to change to UPN. Now, there might be multiple instances. There's obviously UPN there. There's UPN specified here, and there's also UPN specified on this line as well. Once we've done that, we can right click and execute, and you can see that's completed. And if we right click over constraints and refresh, you'll see that the constraint now has changed to UPN. The field is UPN, and inside of AutoCAD Electrical it will be set as UPN. So as you can see, when we select catalog and we just right click, go more, you can see now the field is called UPN.